Download and unzip the ServerPress software. Open it, run it. Link is in the description box. Open the folder and open the installer application. Click on the Continue button, read or save the terms and accept it. Because we are installing the new desktop server, here we have no other option. Just click Continue. This process will take 7 minutes or more, have patience. It will install the desktop server software on C drive. You will see the path when the installation process is done. Click on the Finish button to close the window. Now, go to the local disk where the software is installed. It is C drive, and you will see a folder called Zamplite. Open it. Scroll down and find the application. The software needs to run as an administrator to modify or create the web server on the computer. Here you have to give the privilege. Select and click on Next button. Here you have to run the server to work on it. Keep the default selection and click on the Next button. When it's done, click on the Next button. Here you will create a new website. DesktopServer software gives you an address for the site, which looks similar to the website address with .dev name. Here set the site address, choose the blueprint where you have the option for a blank site, and final the site route. The site route where you want to install the site for developing purposes. I prefer the blank or the drive which has no many files. I avoid the C drive. Now the setup will take 5 minutes or more. When done, click the Next button. Now simply install the WordPress site as we do normally. Use the site address you have just created. You can click the link to install WordPress or follow this. Click Next and then the Sites button, which will open localhost on the browser, which will show all the sites you have. Here I have already one. You will see the new site created. Click the site link or the button to open the site. Because WordPress is not installed, you have to go through the process. Choose the language and hit the Continue button. Installation is very simple. Just fill the form here for the site with the site name, username, password, email it and then click on the Install button. It is done and you can log in with the username and password.